Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to solve integral dx over x into x to the power of 5 plus 1. As the first step, we can multiply denominator and numerator of x to the power of 5 plus 1 from x to the power of 5. Then we can write x into x to the power of 5 as x to the power of 6, and we can divide x to the power of 5 plus 1 from x to the power of 5. Then we can get integral 1 over x to the power of 6 within bracket 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 5. Now we can give a substitution. We can substitute 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 5 as t. So t equal 1 plus x to the power of minus 5. Then we can differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of t we can write as dt over dx. Differentiation of 1 we can write as 0. Differentiation of x to the power of minus 5 we can write as minus 5 into x to the power of minus 6. Then we can write dt as minus 5 over x to the power of 6 into dx. Then we can substitute dx as x to the power of 6 over minus 5 dt. Let's move to integration part. In here, instead of 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 5, we can substitute t. Instead of dx value, we can substitute x to the power of 6 over minus 5. Then we can cancel out numerator x to the power of 6 and denominator x to the power of 6. After that, we can get 1 over minus 5 as a constant. So we can write 1 over minus 5 integral 1 over t dt. 1 over t integration equal to ln modulus t. Finally, we can write minus 1 over 5 ln modulus instead of t value 1 plus 1 over x to the power of 5 plus c.